morning, students. Now we are talking about coordination is polyhedron or structure of coordination compounds. How the structure of coordination compounds are formed and how can you explain in your own language? Before telling you the polyhedron, it is necessary that all of you must should know that this symbol expressing towards observer, this symbol expressing towards observer, and these broken dot lines expressing opposite to observers, and these straight lines expressing in a plane of paper. When central metal atom is attached with 6 ligands, as I have explained on your blackboard. Two central atoms are attached with 2 ligands whom are opposite to observer. 2 are towards observer and 2 are in a plane. Then it expresses octahedral structure. Arrangement of ligands expressing different nature, such as if all the ligands are in a plane, then central metal atom containing 4 ligands in both one. In both the coordination compound, central metal atom is attached with 4 ligands. And all the ligands are attached in a plane. Then a square planar structure is formed. While if 3 ligands are attached, two ligands are attached in a plane, one is towards observer and one is opposite to observer, then its structure expressed in tetrahedral form. एक बार हम फिर से हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं बच्चों को। ये जो सिंबल हम बनाते हैं ये टुवर्ड्स ऑब्जर्वर का मतलब होता है कि जो मॉलिक्यूल को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है साइंटिस्ट उसके तरफ है, और ये ब्रोकन डॉट जो हम बनाते हैं ये एक्सप्रेस करता है कि ये ऑब्जर्वर के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है। ऑब्जर्वर तो आप समझते ही होंगे, इतनी टिपिकल हिंदी आप नहीं समझ पाएंगे। ऑब्जर्वर का मतलब प्रेक्षक होता है, प्रेक्षक का मतलब जो परीक्षण कर रहा हो, साइंटिस्ट। और ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन एक्सप्रेस करती है वो एक्सप्रेस करती है कि प्लेन में है। तो इस टाइप से आपको पूरा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया कि when ligands are attached in different directional stage, then polyhedron expressed by coordination compound differs from one another. Any problem? And polyhedron of different central metal atoms of different coordination compound is based on position of ligands, that how the ligands are attached with the central metal atom or ion. And as I think so, that all of you must be cleared by all these topics. All these points, such as similarly you will observe 5 ligands are attached, one is towards observer, one is opposite to observer, and 3 are in a plane. Trigonal bipyramidal structure is obtained by such type of arrangement. square perimeter are obtained when two ligands are attached towards observer and two are opposite to observer and one is in a plane. So about polyhedron, that is geometry of a coordination compound, your concept must be clear. Now the next point, oxidation number of central atom. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ सेंट्रल एटम, सेंट्रल एटम की ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर के बारे में आप जान लीजिए कि जो प्राइमरी वैलेंसी को सेटिस्फाई करता है लिगैंड, उसी को हम सेंट्रल एटम की ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कहते हैं. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज डिफाइंड एज द नंबर ऑफ लिगैंड्स अटैच्ड with number of monodentate ligands whom are required to satisfy the primary valency of coordination compound of a central metal atom in a coordination compound. Any problem? Now the next one, coordination number. Number of ligands present in any coordination compound with central metal atom to satisfy its secondary valency is known as coordination number. Now next point, homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes. What are homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes? मैं देखिए हम पूरा क्लियर कर देते हैं आपको. ये कोबाल्ट है और कोबाल्ट होमोलेप्टिक और हेटेरोलेप्टिक, ये 6 अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल के साथ अटैच्ड है. तो यहां पर कोबाल्ट को बैलेंस करने के लिए केवल 6 अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल रिक्वायर्ड हैं. 3+. ये कोबाल्ट के साथ में 6 लिगेंड जो लगा हुआ है अमोनिया का ही मॉलिक्यूल है. तो ऑल द लिगेंड्स आर प्रेजेंट इन ए कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड विद अटैच्ड विद सेंट्रल मेटल एटम आर सेम, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज होमोलेप्टिक कॉम्प्लेक्स और होमोलेप्टिक कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड. व्हाइल इफ दे आर डिफरेंट सच एज CONH3 का होल 4 Cl2, it expresses that two different type of ligands are attached, 4 ammonia molecules and 2 Cl atoms with central metal atom. So it is called as heteroleptic complex. Heteroleptic complex. And it is called as homoleptic complex. As I think so, about all those terms whom are applied in such topic coordination compound must be clear to all the students. And we will talk about further topic, that is the nomenclature of coordination compound, at next day, in next period. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.